Morning Brew Radio Show. I almost forgot the title of my radio show. Back to me, second hour of this radio show. It's now 11:08 in the morning. Still AM, of course. And the time check brought to you this time by the SBMA, Corporate Affairs Communications Office. All right. So, time for some more invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, you're all invited para sa next event that will be next sale event that's gonna happen. Okay, yung the Our Home carpet sale is ongoing for the month of June. Okay, so check out Our Home at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Also, 15% off on all items in celebration of Father's Day para sa guests, visit guests at the SM City Olongapo Central. The guest shop is right over there. So, treat nyo naman si Daddy. Yan, bili kayo ng pangregalo sa kanya. Only at guests. Alright? Also, the next invite is coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central. They will be having the audition for the SM Little Stars 2024. Okay? Audition will start on June 30. Ayan, yung mga bisita natin dito ngayon, pwede dito, no? Ayan, the SM Little Stars 2024 ground level, SM City Olongapo Central, June 30th. Okay? Also, the BTS Army Fan Fest will be happening on June 29. Yung mga fans ng BTS, of course, they're called the Army, huh? This coming June 29th, that falls on a Saturday, 3 p.m. Level 2 ng SM City Olongapo Downtown. Get to dress and sing a la BTS. Yung mga the fan fest happening, okay? Karamiya is celebrating dads with their special flavored June cake, okay? Featuring the special cake flavor for the month of June, okay? All right. And also, Karamiya is located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right. And but First Coffee is now open at the fourth level of SM City Olongapo Central. So visit BFC. But First Coffee, it's at the fourth level, SM City Olongapo Central. Okay. And the next invite is for the menswear sale. 50% off on selected items June 1 to 30th. Okay, mga tamang-tama, no? In line din with the celebration of Father's Day. Pwede nyong bilhin yung pangregalo nyo dyan kay Daddy. Sa menswear sale, up to 50% off on selected items at the SM Store. Kung merong menswear sale, meron ding girls and teen sale. Up to 50% off also on selected items only at the SM Store. SM Stores nationwide, okay? Also, the Shop and Dine promo is happening May 25 to June 25 at SM City Olongapo Central. Shop and get exciting dining deals only at SM Central. Visit their diners there, right? And of course, the best gift for all occasion, any occasion, is the SM Gift Pass. Ask for them now at the customer service counter of all SM Supermalls available nationwide. Okay? And lastly, CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, is offering free drink upsize up until December 31. So visit CBTL now inside the SM Store, second level of SM City Olongapo Central. Ayan. So ladies and gentlemen, those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And now back to my guests here at the station. Again, for those who just tune in, we are with the Clash of Voices grand finalist, the Yellow Rhythm Group. Ayan. Here with me is Coach Angela. Arlene, I'm sorry. Sorry ha. Ang dami ko tinatanda ang pangalan. Coach Arlene, ayan, with me. Kasama niya yung mga contestants, finalists natin. Kids category, teens and adults. Ayan, okay? May adults contestant ba? Parang wala yata. Wala eh. Parang kids lahat. and teens lahat. Okay, so narinig nyo na si yung dalawang kumanta kanina, si Miss A and si Miss S. Pinaiksi na lang, hahaba ng pangalan eh. Ito naman yung next na pakakantahin natin para masampulan kayo kung gaano kagagaling tong mga batang to. Ayan. Iho, pwede bang ibaba mo yung mic na yan? Yan, yung mic na yan. Baba mo. Ayan. Natatakpan kasi yung face niya. Sige, hilain mo pa pababa. Ganito. Hindi, gaya. Ayan. Matigas ba? Malambot lang. Kaya. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Okay! Hi! Your turn. What's your name? Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Clash Dreamer, Kid Artist, Grand Finalist Samaya Kane Marpa from Team Yellow Rhythm.
Okay. Amaya Kim?
Samaya Kane po.
Samaya Kane. Okay. Samaya! Okay. Alright. As usual, same question. Where are you from? Taga saan si Samaya?
I'm from Old Cabalan po.
Old Cabalan! Okay. Kamusta naman ang Old Cabalan?
Okay naman po.
Old pa rin no? As years go by, lalong nagiging old no? Old Cabalan. Okay, so how long have you been singing? Pero how old are you muna para malaman natin?
I'm 10 years old po.
Sigurado ka 10 ka lang? Oh, okay. Parang 9 lang Gaya ng kay. Pero how long have you been singing?
I started singing when I was 3 years old.
Wow, 3 years old. Pero naalala mo na yun, 3 years old ka lang, kumakanta ka na, no? Ang galing, Yan. Baka nga, pinanganak ka lang, kumakanta ka, hindi mo alam, no? Nandiyan ba si mami mo? Or?
Wala po, si daddy lang.
Tanungin mo si mami mo kung nung pinanganak ka ba, may tono yung uha. Oha, ha, ha, oha. Kumakanta ka na nung pinanganak ka pa lang, di ba? Pero you're 3 years started singing na.
Yes.
Yun, okay. Alright, so what are you gonna sing for us today?
Once Upon a December from the movie Anastasia po.
Once Upon a December. Ayan, eto. Ayan, okay. Hinahanap ko yung bawat song na sasabihin nyo Alright, si Samaya, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's listen to you sing. Okay, here we go. Alright, you can hear me, right? Parang mga hindi bata kumanta no? Okay, galing. Thank you, Samaya. Alright. Okay, nakalimutan ko tanungin, sinong favorite artist mo, Samaya? Yung parang idol mo, parang gano'n? Mapa-local or international, kahit alin?
Maybe si Sarah po.
Sarah.
Or si KZ.
Sarah Geronimo.
At saka KZ Tandingan.
Tandingan. Ayun, okay. Okay, wow, nice. Naalala ko tuloy yung may kapitbahay din ako, Sarah din ang pangalan, naalala ko tuloy siya, Alam mo apelyido ni Sarah, yung kapitbahay ko? Domata. Gets nyo? Hindi nyo na-get? Diretsuhin nyo. Medyo hindi siya makakita. Parang gano'n. Gets nyo na? Okay. Alright. So, next to you, hi, hello. Siguro yung isang mic na yung gamitin mo. Medyo, balik na natin kay coach yung isa. Ayan, dito kay coach. Ayan. Sige, tapat mo sa'yo, iho. Ayan. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Maipa, Clash Dreamer Kid Artist Grand Finalist from Team Yellow Rhythm.
Okay. Emmanuel?
Opo.
Ayan, Emmanuel. Ayan, ito yung pangalan mo. Nandito yun eh. Ayan, okay. At alam ko na yung kakantahin mo kasi nandito yung pangalan mo eh. Pero bago ka kumanta, how old are you muna?
11 po.
11. So obviously with the kids category pa rin, 11. Where are you from?
Bataan po.
Saan sa Bataan?
Bataan lang po naalala ko eh. Kasi,
Ang laki ng Bataan eh.
wala po kasi sinasabi eh.
Pero malapit lang or?
Sa harapan po na Roosevelt po.
Harapan ng Roosevelt. Okay. Baka naman tipo or something.
Malapit po sa tipo.
Ayun, malapit. Kasi Roosevelt tipo, magkalapit lang yan eh, di ba? Magkasunod lang yan eh. Yan. Okay. Basta Bataan, wag kayong magulo. Bataan na is enough, di ba? Okay. How old are you again?
11 po.
11. And when did you started singing? Kaya ka nag-umpisa kumanta?
5 po.
5.
5 po.
Mga 5. Mga 4 and a half to, no? Ganun.
5 po.
5. Okay. So, same question kanina. Sino favorite artist mo? May favorite artist ka?
Wala po.
Si Sarah, di mo gusto? Okay. Ayan. So, you're gonna sing Bulag, Pipi at Bingi.
Opo.
Ayan. Okay. Sige.
Bayan.
Alright. Let's listen to you sing, ladies and gentlemen. Eto na, si Emmanuel for the song Bulag, Pipi at Bingi. Take it away.
Cover speech.
Hear it now. You can hear the audio now. Yeah, okay.
Madilim ang iyong paligid, hating gabing walang hanggan. Anyo at kulay ng mundo sa'yo'y pinagkaitan. Huwag mabahala kaibigan, isinilang ka mang ganyan. Isang bulag sa kamunduhan, ligtas ka sa kasalanan. Hindi nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di madinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. Ibigin mo mang umawit, hindi mo magawang gawin. Sigaw ng puso't damdamin, wala sa'yong pumapansin. Sampung daliri kaibigan, dyan ka nila paghikinggan. Pipi ka man ang isinilang, dakila ka sa sino man. Ano sa'yo ang musika? tahimik mo mang paligid, awitin ay di madinig. Mapalad ka o kaibigan, napakaingay ng mundo. Sa isang binging katulad mo, walang dahing, walang gulo. Di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinangad na buhay na di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. Na buhay na banal. Na buhay na banal.
Okay, Emmanuel. Wow, thank you. All right. Ito rin ba yung inawit mo dun sa contest or
Apo.
yeah, okay. Audition pa lang or
Ano po, round 2.
round 2? Okay, nice. All right, thank you. Thank you very much, Emmanuel, with the song
Thank you
Bulag
po din.
Pipi at Bingi. Ayan. So we will go to the upper section. Upper section talaga, you know. Kita naman kayo sa video, you know. Ayan. Okay. Oh, okay. Magta-transfer pala. Akala ko ano. Transform. Very good. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa sa teens category. Ayan. Sino yung contestant sa teens category? Kayong tatlo, all three. Silang dalawa. And then ikaw sa adult. Ayan. So far how many teens lahat all in all, coach? Ilan so far? Kung do you happen to know kung ilan so far lahat yung teens, kids, adults?
Sa lahat-lahat na po. Almost 30 din po ata.
Almost
No. Nawalan. Kung lahat-lahat na po ha.
lahat, oo. Ang finalists ilan lahat?
Wait lang, estimate pa.
you only know for your team lang no?
Opo.
Pero ito na lahat yun sa yellow mo, 4 na kids.
Yes po. Parang
dalawang
nag-aano
teams.
lang po kasi mga nasa 7 and 8, 9 ganyan lang din po kada team.
Okay. All right.
Almost
So good. Almost.
Nung una po nasa 30 po sila kaso may mga nag-back out po tapos may mga nalaglag din po.
Nung unang
Yes
pa lang,
po.
30 ang na-compose ninyo
Nung una po kasi sa tatlong team po namin, may 10 po kami, may 9.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. Pero ito yung season 1 pa lang ng Clash of Voices,
Yes
no?
po.
Pero G1 Entertainment has been in the industry long, so
Yes
they had similar na rin yung,
Opo.
yung mga naunang pa-contest.
Yes.
You're with that same team na rin before,
Hindi
hindi
po.
pa?
First time ko lang din po dito.
Pero Ate Lou belongs to that team na
Yung una
before
po.
na nagpapa-contest na ng ganito,
Yes
na
po.
parang Style the Voice na blind
Voice
audition
po.
o iikot pagka nagustuhan mo yung voice, iikot yung ulo,
Ulo po.
may iwan yung katawan.
Ay, ang galing
Hindi,
po ng coach
chair,
na yun.
chair naman,
Yes.
umiikot. Pero binibit-bit yung chair pag umiikot. Okay. Alright, so let's listen now to the teens category naman. Okay, starting up with ikaw muna, no, Iha? Yeah, sige. Alright. Hindi niya ma-figure out. Ano yan? Tina-transform lang yan. Akin na. Ikot mo lang. Yan, ganun. Oo. Yan. Pag ayaw, ihagis mo. Kung saan tumapat, yun na yun. Ganun lang ang technique. Ayan. Hello, Iha. Hi.
Hello po.
What's your name?
Hi, this is Clash Dreamer Teen Artist, Grand Finalist po, Kiana Rose Escobar from Team Yellow Rhythm po.
Okay, Kiana Rose. Okay.
Yes,
So, sa teen edition ito, ha? Okay. How old are you? Is it okay to ask?
I'm 14 years old po.
14!
Yes po.
Mukha lang 13, ha? Paulit-ulit ako, no? Sa edad, no? Where are you from? Taga saan si Kiana?
I'm from San Pablo po.
San Pablo?
Dinalupian po.
Ayun. Okay. In Bataan?
Yes po.
At least she knows where in Bataan, ha? San Pablo, part of Dinalupihan. Okay, medyo malayo-layo na yan, ha? Lumalayo na tayo ng konti. Yeah. Okay, so what you gonna sing for us? Take a Bow, no?
Yes
Ayan.
po.
Okay. Ayan. So, ito pong mga, for those who just tune in, ito pong mga nandito ngayon na bisita natin are the Clash of Voices finalists. Ayan. Mga grand finalists kasi. Tapos, we wanna treat you guys, kayong mga nakikinig ngayon, we wanna give you a special treat. Kaya pinapasample natin sila para marinig nyo why they made it this far, bakit sila naging grand finalist. Ayan, okay? Alright, so let's listen to Kiana. Let me know if you can hear it clearly, ha?
Yes po.
Yung audio natin. Ayan, ayos ba?
Yes po.
Oh, intro pa lang yun. Okay. Here we go. Take a bow.
How about a round of applause? Yeah, standing ovation. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. You look so dumb right now, standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please, just cut it out. And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show, really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. Grab your clothes and get gone. You better hurry up before the sprinkles come on. Talking about, girl, I love you, you're the one. This just looked like a rerun. What else is on? And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show, really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. Oh, and the award for the best liar goes to you, for making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech. Oh, how about a round of applause? Standing ovation, but you put on quite a show, really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertaining. Yeah, yeah, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow, but it's over now.
Okay, take a bow. Take a bow. Si Miss Kiana. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Ayan, next naman mapapakinggan nating mag-sample. I see. Teka lang. Okay, magulo. Nagkakabit ako ng headset. Ayan. Anong name mo, Iha?
Hi, this is Clash Dreamer, teen artist, grand finalist, Franzeline Gorospe from Yellow Rhythm po.
Okay, Franzeline. Ayan. Alright. So, where are you from? Taga saan si Franzeline?
Taga New Cab po, New Cabalan.
New Cabalan. Okay. Yung kanina, may old Cabalan, no? Ito naman, new. Oh. Bata pa ako, new to. Hanggang ngayon, new pa rin, ano? Hindi na, sarap tumira dyan, hindi naluluma. Okay. New Cabalan. How old are you? Is it okay to ask?
16 years old.
16. Alam niyo na yung sasabihin ko, no? Mukha lang 15, di ba? Alright. So, how long have you been singing?
Simula nung 5 years old po ako.
Since 5.
Yes,
Okay.
since 5.
You've been joining contest na as a kid or hindi pa naman?
Hindi pa naman po.
Okay. All right. So, you're gonna sing the song
Brown Eyes.
Brown Eyes. Ayan. Okay. So, let's listen to you sing. Once again, Franzeline. Am I got it right? Tama ba? Okay. Franzeline with the song Brown Eyes. All right. Here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. A Clash of Voices Yellow Team finalist.
Then you said to me, I was the woman
Brown Eyes, Friends Lynn, one of the finalists of Yellow Rhythm. Ayan, teens category. Ayan, did I got it right, Coach? Okay. Kindly give back the mic to Coach. Ayan yung gamitin mo, pare Koy. Okay. All right. So next, to give us a sample. For those who just tune in, baka nagtataka kayo bakit may kumakanta. Nagsasample po yung ating mga grand finalists ng Clash of Voices singing contest. Ayan. Parang, kasi itong contest na to, parang Olongapo's own version of parang The Voice and the Thing, no? Parang gano'n. Kaya, we're featuring them for you sa mga tagapakinig natin. Ayan. Ang next contestant, ang next finalist natin ay si... Pangalan mo, pare Koy?
Hello po, ako po si Clash Dreamer, adult artist, grand finalist Cyrus Andrade from Yellow Rhythm.
Cyrus! Alright, okay. Ang nag-iisang nag-iisa sa Teen Part 2 category. Teen Part 2 category. Ayan. Pare Koy, ilan taong ka na? Okay lang ba tanongin?
20 plus po.
20 plus? So mga 21 and a half yan, ganyan, ano?
Hindi pa, 24 po.
24. Ayun. In fairness, mukha ng 25, ha? Kumabig pakabila this time. At least na iba, no? Where are you from, pare Koy?
Sa Salawan, Gordon Heights po.
Gordon Heights, okay. How long have you been singing? Okay lang ba?
Kailan lang po. Yung last po nasali ko yung sa SBGT po.
So Big Bay Got Talent sa yung
sa Ayala po.
Yung category na non-SBMA employees. Oh, okay.
Pero sa ano po ako
etong last September ba 'to tinutukoy mo?
Opo.
Yung nagkita-kita. Magkasama tayo. Okay. Ayan. Isa po ako sa mga doon. Isa ako sa mga nanood nung contest.
Pinagwawala.
Yeah. Okay. Ano yung kinanta mo doon? Para maalala ko.
Wag na po.
Wag na. Sino ko banta nun? Wag na po, originally by?
Kay Cyrus Andrade po.
Kay Cyrus Andrade. Okay. So, sabi mo you started singing just kailan lang, no? Parang, bakit? Why? Parang late bloomer yata, parang ganon. Merong ganun no? Kailan lang nila nasubukan.
Din po ako sa mga nakikinig sa akin, parang ganun po.
Yeah.
Na may potential nga daw po. Katulad po ni Coach Arlene na unang umikot po sa akin. Saan?
Okay.
Yun dun po.
It's kind of interesting, if you hear somebody said na kailan lang siya nagsimula kumanta-kanta, di ba? Parang something extraordinary, di ba? Yung since bata pa kumakanta tapos lumaki gumaling. Siyempre, alam mo na, bata pa nag-umpisa na eh. Pero yung kailan mo lang nasubukan and nag-contest ka, yun. Okay. Alright. So, let's listen to you sing now.
Pwede pong babati po muna.
Mamaya, babalik tayo dyan. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Lahat tayo babati. Yan. Okay. Ayan. Alright. Si Cyrus will sing us the song I'll Never Go. Tama ba? I'll Never Go. Team song yan ng mga pag na-flat yung tire. I'll Never Go.
Hindi na talaga uusan.
Na-flat Tsaka naubusan ng gasolina minsan. Gano'n. Okay, so let's listen to Cyrus. Check mo kung naririnig mo, ha? Ayan.
Hello po, hello.
How about the audio? Ayan, naririnig mo? Okay naman, no? Cyrus! Teka, punasan ko lang yung tenga ko. Lumuluha.
Thank you po.
Cyrus! Okay, wow. Galing ha? Sinong favorite artist mo? Nexus siguro. No?
Yung mga pinapakinggan ko po ngayon, yung mga kanta po ni Arthur Neri.
Tsaka yung mga ganyang bagsakan. Ano?
Po,
Nice.
Eric Santos.
Well, it fits your voice. And, ano, kaya umikot si Coach. Ano,
Thank you po.
Natumba ba kayo ng pag-ikot niyo?
Sila man po.
Shoutout po.
Sobrang excitement umikot.
Coach Lou. Thank you sa kanta.
Okay. Ayan, so napakinggan natin lahat sila sumampol. Coach, bali, invite them one more time, yung mga tagapakinig natin. Imbitahan nyo po muli.
Ayan, muli po, inimbitahan po namin kayo sa aming Grand Finals and kaway-kaway tayo. Sa July 14 po sa SM Central Ground Floor po yan.
Yun, ground floor,
Yes.
SM Central. July 14, it falls on a Sunday.
Sunday.
Kaya may time po kayong manood. Walang
Yes po.
excuse. Yan. Kailangan mandato eh. No? Alright. And anybody you wanna greet, Coach? Total, tinanong to ni Cyrus kanina. So,
Opo.
umpisahan mo na yung mga pagbati.
Ayan, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ay, magandang tanghali na lang po.
Yeah.
Ayan, magandang tanghali
Magandang
po.
tanghalian.
Ayun, tanghalian na nga po. Okay. Clash of Voices and G1 Entertainment Production would like to thank our event sponsors and partners for making this project possible po. SM City Olongapo Central, The Besticles Show, City Square Park Arcade, MJ Lights and Sound, Voice Lessons by Coach Lou, Mukbang Unlimited Samgupsal, 89.5 FM Subic Bay Radio, BRP Pentagraph Advertising North Point Real Estate Marketing, 97.5 DWOK FM, ito ang radyo ko, NE Concept Graphic and Design, RJ Aldrin Photography Snow PH, Kins Grill and Restaurant Main po, and MNL Water Refilling Station. Event hosting by Lou Angeles, DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, host Angelo or DJ Eloy, host DJ Jeps, and Dr. Joycelyn Faraon Dental Clinic, Rarcraft Photography, Photo Booth by Ritronics, Pest Science Corporation Olongapo, and 80s Cafe. Ayan, marami pong tumutulong sa event na to. And thank you so much po.
Yan. Okay. How about you kids? Mga pagbate. Sige. Kindly, siguro para di na kayo lumipat. Abot nyo yung portable mic sa mga kids category natin. Yeah, the people you wanna...
Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nanood po.
Matipid yung pagbati niya. Basta sabi niya sa lahat. Wala nga namang lusot. Di mo ko binati. Sabi ko lahat eh. ikaw iya. Yeah, kasama lahat. Ikaw iya, sige go.
Thank you po sa lahat po ng nanood, tsaka po sa lahat po ng coaches na nagturo po sa amin.
Alright. Okay. Sige. Ikaw, pagbati mo iya.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mami ko po sa nag-work sa San Antonio, tsaka sa mga teachers ko po, coaches, sa lahat po na nanood po sa akin dun sa semifinals at tsaka sa iba pa po. Thank you.
San Antonio?
Opo, si mami dun po nag-work.
Zambales?
Opo.
Okay. Akala ko yung San Antonio Spurs, yung basketball team yung sa Texas. Alam mo yung San Antonio Spurs? Familiar ka sa basketball team na yun? Yeah.
Salamat po ako sa lahat ng papalood po at saka ng lahat ng naghihirap na sponsors at saka coaches para tulungan po kami mag-rise up doon sa Grand Finals. Thank you po lahat sa nag-watch po dito. Thank you po sa lahat ng parents ko, bloodline ko, lahat po. Thank you po.
Wow, swak lahat, no? Bloodline. Oh, kahit di niya kilala, basta ka bloodline, swak pa rin doon. Yun ang malupit na pagbati, no? Ayan. Okay, how about you, Iha? Any greetings? Pagbati?
Ay po mama, gano'n.
Your parents or...
Hi kila coach, hi Coach Shane, hi Coach Lou, and thank you po sa mga coaches na nagturo sa amin. And thank you din po sa mama ko kasi lagi po siya nakasuporta sa akin. And hi din po sa Kenzo.
May something sa huling pagbati. Ba't may who? May something ba doon? Okay, Cyrus, pare ko.
Yun po, unang-una po, nagkapasalamat po ako kay Lord. Di ko po akalaing makakanta po ako sa ganito, makakaabot po ako dito. At syempre po sa mga coaches po, kilala nyo na po kung sino kayo, hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Inisa-isa. Sa Andrade family po, Kaabay family, shoutout po sa inyo, nanonood po sila lahat.
Yun.
Sa TV, sinend po sa akin. At sa ano po, sa 3 supporters ko at 10 basher, shoutout po sa inyo.
10 supporter, 10 bashers. Mas marami pa yung bashers. Pero may magandang role ang bashers eh, di ba? Kasi yung bashers minsan, yan yung nagpo-point out ng kagalingan mo eh. Tsaka nagpo-push sa'yo eh, di ba?
Yes.
Maganda yung role nila. Bash lang ng bash. Bahala kayo dyan. Ganun lang yun. Ayan, okay.
Thank you din po sa pag-invita po.
Yes po, thank you po.
Pleasure's ours. Ayan. And kay Coach Lou, nanonood siya lagi. Siyempre,
Shoutout po Coach Lou,
Si Coach Lou.
Coach Shane, Coach
Ayan.
Jem, salamat po ng Coach Eileen.
Alright.
Shoutout.
Hi din sa ABS-GMA. Hi.
Hello din po. Baka naman po.
Baka may time slot,
Baka
no?
may ano po dyan.
For the yellow ribbon. Okay. Alright, so Coach, ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you for bringing your yellow
so
team
much po.
here.
Thank you so much.
Nako, thank you for making this program extra fun.
Yes. Thank you so
Okay, maraming
much
salamat.
din po.
Yan, and sa inyo, kids, teens and adults, maraming salamat. Alright, so once again, for the last time, I'm telling you guys, July 14, SM City, Olongapo Central, ground level, yung pinaka grand finale nila. Magbabattle sila, maglalaban-laban. Nood tayo. Saya nun. Okay. Obligado yata talaga ako manood. MC yata ako sa finals eh. Yeah, I think Coach Lou scheduled me sa finals yata. I don't know. I'm not sure. Coach Lou, confirm mo nga. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you po, G1.
All right. G1, of course. Okay. Thank you for dropping by, Yellow Team. Okay, and back to regular programming. For the meantime, let me press play on the next requested song. This is a song from the band Taking Back Sunday. This is called Number 5 with a Bullet, 895 Subic Bay Radio.